making our Christmas memories.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas Day 6 and I am at the airport ready to go to Aruba. It was the most hectic morning ever, super stressful. I ended up taking the wrong train, but I'm here and it's super early still, so it's all good. It's now 10 o'clock and I still have like 2 hours before the plane starts to board. Or before we have to start boarding the plane, so I can now focus on editing today's vlogging. So I have to go up today because I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday. I definitely overpacked. You guys know I was freaking out, and I was freaking out for the right reasons because I overpacked. So yesterday I ended up just making sure that, you know, everything did fit, and I had to take some stuff out because it was just way too much. But now that now it's all good. Like everything's going perfectly as planned. The airport is not busy at all, which is like the best thing ever. So hopefully the plane isn't too full so that I can what's it called? I mean, I don't mind if the plane is full. Hopefully no one sits next to me so that I can sleep on the 2 chairs that I have. That would be just the best thing in the world. So if that could happen, oh my gosh. Anyway, I look a mess, I look crazy. I'm finally sitting down, I can finally relax. I'm not at my gate though. I decided to come sit somewhere so I can talk to you guys where it's not like too crowded, aka here. So I think I even want to like snap a quick picture for the Instagrams, which I think I'm gonna do right here. Don't ask me how though, because I look crazy. I might take my glasses. I'm gonna take my glasses to do that.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart.
I literally just made it home. I'm about to go see my dogs because I haven't seen them in months. I look a mess, I feel a mess, I really need to shower, but I just want to see my dogs first. Is it there? Like there? Let's go see the doggies. So I just freshened up. It's super late. It's like 8 o'clock now, or super late. It's really not that late, but I'm about to go see my boyfriend. Haven't seen him in months, so I'm gonna rush and go see him. So I just got home. It's like 12 o'clock right now. I know I didn't really update you guys on anything. On the first day I arrived back, it's always super hectic. I really try to vlog as much as I can, but obviously it just does not work. I really have to get myself together for tomorrow because it's time to get back on my vlogging game, you know. The last couple of days have just been a lot of stress and a lot of packing and just preparing to get here, and now that I'm finally here, it is time to kill it. So I have a couple of plans for tomorrow. I know that I'm gonna go run with my mother tomorrow morning, and we want to run at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I think I'm gonna go to bed in a little bit. My issue is that I'm not tired, like at all, so I don't know how that's gonna go. So being in the plane was pretty okay, to be honest. I know I was really freaking out because I felt super anxious like a couple of days behind each other before actually flying. But once I got in the plane and I put on like my meditating sound and I just did a lot of breathing exercises, it was just so much better. This flight was super smooth. There was just a little bit of turbulence, nothing like really bad. The little bit of turbulence that there was, I was just like, okay, I will be okay, I will be okay, you know, like everything's just fine. So when that was over, it was just back smooth sailing. It was really nice. So I don't know if you guys noticed by the clips that I showed you guys earlier, there was actually no one sitting next to me. So I laid down and I rolled myself up in the pillows and everything that I could find there to keep me like very comfortable. Like even my winter coat, I put that on the chair so I can lay on it. I had like my jacket on it. It was just super comfortable. So it was probably like the best flight that I've ever been on, which I was really happy about because I was really, you know, I was really anxious about it. So it was really nice that it was like the best flight ever. I feel like that's how I want to fly now. I always want to fly laying down. Like I don't want to sit down, like let me lay down, you know. I mean, obviously I can't buy 2 tickets because we don't have 2 tickets kind of money as yet, but I feel like when I'm rich, like in the future, I will definitely be getting like some business class where you can lay down. I feel like that would just be like the most comfortable kind of flying in the world. Another thing that happened, my nails broke. I didn't even get a chance to paint like my nails, but these 2 broke already. This one broke before I left on the plane, and then this one broke when I arrived and I was waiting for my sister. So annoying. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't know how yet, but I'm gonna have to fix it because I want to look cute and stuff. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be exciting. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen, but I hope it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. I know it was super short. I feel like I did great because I went to the dogs, right? And I was really excited to see them. And I was like, oh, let me vlog this. This will be cute for you guys to see. And just by seeing them, I completely forgot to vlog because I was just so excited to see them, you know. And they were running around and I was running around behind them. It was a mess. It was a mess. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's all over the place, but I promise starting tomorrow the vlogs will be so much better and so much Christmassier because it's time to start decorating. If you guys see the house, it is not decorated at all, and it is time to start decorating. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Mwah. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.